Ninagay na ni Jan. So, ito yung may nakita na. So, ito it's alright. Alright. Hindi ako itong bilhin. Huwag kang hinanama. Okay. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is July 3. Ang bilis ng araw, no? Pa, July 3 ngayon, pa? Kausap ko si Papa. July 3 ngunyan, pa? Papa! Pa! July 3 ngunyan? July 3? Oo, July 3. Kausap ko si Papa. And today, last day of school ng mga bata. So, maaga sila. Uuwi ngayon. Ang uwian talaga nila ay 3:15. Ngayon daw, sabi ni Kuya, mga 2:40, uwian na raw nila. And ako, nagpe-prepare ako ng aking lulutuin sa Chana's Kitchen. And si Holly nakabis na, Baba, say hi! Hi! Andun siya, nanonood siya. And kagabi, naglaba ako ng mga puti. And yeah, so, hinihiwa ko lang yung aking bawang, tapos sibuyas. Kasi magluluto ako ng Bicol Express. And for sure, makapanood nyo itong una sa Chana's Kitchen bago pa itong vlog ko. Kasi late ang vlog natin, guys. Pasensya ulit. So, tapusin ko lang to. And si Jan nasa farm. And, yeah. Ha? O, sige. Tapusin ko lang muna itong aking mga hinihiwa para mamaya makapag-film na kami ni Holly. And, umuulan kaninang umaga. So, nagdadalawang isip nga ako mag-film ako kasi rinig na rinig talaga yung ng ulan, yung patak ng ulan sa bubong. And kagabi, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yun? So, sana maya-maya wag umulan. So, sige, natapusin ko muna to. Na kami mag-film ni Holly sa Chana's Kitchen. Ayan na yung Bicol Express. Iiwan muna natin yan kasi yung mga boys, last day of school. So, ibig sabihin, andito na yung kanilang report cards. Ayan kay Kuya. Oh, malulobat ako. Wait, malulobat. Wait lang. Malulobat na. Si Sak, sabi niya, pag meron daw siyang... Pa? Ma'am, wait. Sakay first. Si Sakay first. Sakay first. Kasi sabi namin, pag mababa ang grade nila,
Can't say, you go first.
may may penalty. You go first, Sakay. Hurry up.
Get that done with.
Kamusta kaya yung report card?
Not today, Zachary. I want it today, not tomorrow.
Hurry up, Zach! Pinapatagal
Hey,
ni
you
Zach.
are.
No, you first. Si Kuya TJ daw.
Come on.
Hurry up.
Let's just do it. Get that done with. Just don't chill.
Don't be silly. Si Zach muna ay ibigay ni Zach. Okay, don't you do. Takpan mo, honey.
Day in science.
Ha?
This way.
Wait, so tingnan muna namin, guys. Si Jan, hindi pa siya, kasi year 1 pa lang si...
That's what it says here about him, what he's doing. Is
So-
them all. This side, there's
Okay.
excellent.
Excellent. May excellent din. May
Organisation.
organization. Excellent si Zach. Good job.
I'm opening.
Wait, what else?
This is mine.
What else? How about the history? In between si Zach sa history, minimal.
Health. I have no health.
Okay, minimal. Okay naman, Hana. It's alright. Wait. May ilang excellent si Zach? Dalawa. Mostly nasa, si Zach? Nasa, ano tawag nun? In between ng excellent siya ka minimal. Kasi 5 siyang row. So, nandito si Zach sa middle. Pero meron siyang excellent sa, what's this? Family member, big and small number. Chinese. Wow, Zach, almost excellent ka sa Chinese. You like Chinese? Why you're almost excellent sa Chinese?
Okay, my turn.
Wait, si Kuya excited.
I wanna
May
open.
araw eh. Ano ba yun? May araw.
So that's English.
Where's
How
health?
about, why health?
I'm gonna open.
Si Kuya, ano pa ba?
There's no geography.
How about geography? You're in, Zach? In the middle. This one, see? You're good. Wala naman siyang bagsak, guys. Wala siyang bagsak. Wala naman siyang bagsak. Ayan, si Zach. Okay lang naman si Zach. Nasa middle si Zach.
I didn't get an A, but I got B.
Good job, Kuya. Ang ganda ng grade ni Kuya.
I get 1 game from AB Games.
Kung si Zach, mataas yung kanyang Chinese. Kay Kuya naman, Kay kuya naman, mababa siya sa Chinese. C siya sa Chinese.
Got C.
Yeah, sa Chinese, meron siyang C, and the rest, B.
I get 2 games of EV games.
Sabi ko sa kanila, pag maganda yung grade nila,
Remember what you said?
what?
You said I would get 2 games
2 games?
at EV games.
Ang ganda ng grade ni Kuya. Si Sak, year 1 pa lang naman si Sak eh. Malikot pa siya. So, sa amin, ayan, tingnan mo si Daddy, oh. Yes.
What about Chinese
Yeah.
movies?
Your Chinese is good. Maybe you're a Chinese.
No. Mine's C.
Matas yung Chinese niya. Sa
Mama,
excellent siya. What's that? Si Kuya, ang tas ng grade ni Kuya.
Near excellent.
You're good too, Sak?
Near excellent.
Yeah, near excellent.
Near excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Look, I did.
Yeah, you're excellent.
I did get one.
Oh, you get 1 excellent sa ano? Si Sak.
Mommy.
What's your grade, Sak?
And X.
What's the
Near
teacher?
There, that's
Near
right.
excellent. Near excellent.
Ayan, si Kuya na.
Yeah, but
Ha?
I don't like Chinese.
No, you have to. You
No,
have to, Kuya.
only this day Chinese was the best. We
Yung
did
Chinese lang talaga yung C ni Kuya. The rest, B grade si Kuya.
I'm not good at
Ayan yung grade ni. Kita ko yung grade ni Kuya sa inyo.
That's
Ayan yung, oops, hindi mag-focus. Ayan yung grade ni Kuya.
B, B, C, B, 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 B.
So, ang ano kasi nila, ang grade nila is A, B, C, D, E, N, A. Ito yung
There's
grading
no
nila.
F.
There's no F. Ayan.
I don't have an F.
No, you don't have F. Ayan yung kanilang grading
Zach, come on.
system.
We
Si
don't
Sak,
We don't have
lahat si Sak ganito. Si Sak lahat.
Mom, we don't have F these days.
Year 1 pa lang naman si Sak. Di ba si Sak parang akala nyo ang likot-likot niya pero mahiyain siya sa school. Ang ganda ng grade ni si Kuya. Ayun na si Kuya. Si Kuya, nung ano siya, yung year 1 siya, malala si Kuya nung 1 and 2. Hindi naman pala malala. Mas ano lang siya, yung attention niya, parang may kunti lang nakaluskos. Doon na si Kuya nakafocus. Yun ang laging nakasulat kay Kuya. Kay Sak naman, ang nakasulat kay Sak is yung self-esteem ni Sak, tapos yung nag-hesitant siya kahit daw alam ni Sak yung sagot, nag-hesitant siya, parang hindi siya sure. So, yun ang kailangan namin na i-develop kay Sak. So, yan. So, mayroon si Kuya, napakita ko na sa inyo si, pero very proud na kami sa grade ni
Sak,
Kuya.
come
So, dami ba naman ang ginagawa ni Kuya sa sports and all that. Pati si Sak. And we are happy. We are happy, right, Kuya?
Yeah.
And si Sak, he will do better. Right, Zach? Promise?
Coming. Yeah, sorry.
Ha? Kasi okay naman yung ano niya. Yung C niya is, yun nga, satisfactory achievement of what is expected at this year level.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't.
Why are you shy? Huh? If you know the answer, you have to raise your hand.
I do.
Yeah, but your teacher said you're hesitant to say it. It's like you're not sure, but you know the answer. Hoy.
But I don't know what it says.
What do you don't know what it says? Your teacher said you know what it is, but you're just hesitant to say it. You have to have confidence. Just say it. Doesn't matter if it's wrong, as long as you say it.
I do, then it's sometimes wrong.
Sometimes wrong, it's alright. And next time you have to study hard. Huh? Uy! Uy!
No.
You like Chinese?
Not really.
Na really din pala siya. Hmm? 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 Si Kuya may award sa akin, si Kuya. EB? Games? Si Sak, mayroon pa naman. You have a card, right, Sak? Meron siyang i-claim. Meron siyang gift card from Auntie Mel. Hindi niya pa yun na, nakukuha. So, pagpunta namin doon, kasi si Kuya, meron siyang award. I can buy you something too because you're good to there, Sak. I'll buy you something.
Now? You got a cold?
But not in the EB games. Maybe I'll buy you short.
No.
I'll buy you short, okay? Huh? Tinanong ko si Sir John, si John kung anong gusto niyang kainin na, ako anong gusto niyang lutuin ko for dinner. Kasi si John, hindi naman to kakain ng, ayan, maanghang. Kasi sabi niya, mahuhospital daw siya. Kasi, ano si John sa maanghang, nasisira ang tiyan niya. Tapos, so, yun nga, sa ano na lang daw siya, mag-take away. Ayan yung aking aftermath ng aking pagluluto. So, maghuhugas muna ako. Pero magbibihis muna ako. And, maghuhugas. Yung mga boys, nandun na sila sa labas. Nandyan sila, oh. Magkikik sila ng footy, oh. Wala na silang school. How many weeks, son? How many weeks, son? 2 weeks? 2 weeks vacation yung mga bata. So, 2 weeks sila. And, punta kami ng Adelaide this weekend, Han? Are we going to Adelaide this weekend? Oh, next weekend. Next weekend, punta kami ng Adelaide. Mag-base lang pala ako. Ayan, maliligo siya. So, pinatanggal niya na yung kanyang tirintas. Ah, okay. You look like Moana. Yes. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo maghuhugas ako? Hindi muna ako naghugas kasi mag-i-edit muna ako. Kasi edit ko, mayroong ginawa si Holly na bago ako mag-film sa Chona's Kitchen, ang sabi niya sa akin, Mama, can I do all things Holly first? So, hinayaan ko siya. So, yun ang i-upload ko. Kasi konti lang naman. Siguro mga 10 minutes lang yon. And si Jan, nagbago rin yung isip niya. Sabi niya, di ba kanina mag-take away. And nakita niya, meron pa ata ako dun na baked beans sa sari-sari store. So, magbe-baked beans na lang daw sila. Tapos, may frites pa ako and then toast. So, easy dinner lang kami tonight. Ako, eto yung bagoong. So, yun lang. And, yeah, mag-i-edit muna ako. Nakaligo na siya.
Is that messy monkeys?
Yes, what about?
Can I have that for later?
No, because you already had one. Once a day?
In the ears.
No.
I want to tell.
Let me smell you first. Bango. Paborito niya to.
Mom,
Suot
can
niya to
I
kagabi
smell?
ngayon. Suot niya na naman.
Mom.
Pantulog niya lang naman kasi
Can
yan.
I tell something in your ears?
What? No, you cannot have that for later because you already had one before.
Later.
No.
Yeah.
Ayan. Transfer ko na yung aking i-edit. Asa na yun? Ayan. Yeah. Ito, tinatransfer ko to yung kay, si Holly. What's that?
Looks stylish.
So, ayan. Tinatransfer ko yung ni Holly. Yung, eto ba? Kasi nagmukbang siya dito eh. And kung ano naman yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Uy, what did you say before? You look
I
what?
look stylish here.
You look stylish.
Where?
Oh, you look stylish here. Wait
I'm
lang.
just checking.
Okay.
T.
Ayan siya, oh. Look stylish daw siya, oh. Oh, di ba? Wait, baba. No, baba. Siya na nag-import. Wait.
Here's one.
Thank you. Pina-check ko sa kanya kung meron pa kaming baked beans.
Day, Mom.
Can you get more?
Okay.
Thank you. So, meron pa yun yung mga una ko pa yan nabili sa IGA. Sa Foodland. Noon pa, as in 3 months ago. Ayan yung maliliit. 2 more?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you. I think that's enough for now. We'll ask Daddy. Thank you.
I need to do the point.
Okay. Si Jana yung gumagawa ng dinner niya kasi hindi pa rin ako tapos mag-edit.
Mom, can I?
You ask Daddy. Daddy's making his own
I want to mix
dinner.
it. Can I please mix?
You don't have to mix the coffee.
Yeah, you don't have because Daddy gonna put that in the microwave. So, okay. Mag-edit muna tayo. Hindi pa ako naghuhugas.
Last time.
Ito na yung tinila, guys. Simple lang. Beans tapos toast. Diba? Simpleng-simple lang. Ayan, sa mga bata pa to. Kaya dyan wala pa.
Top.
Ayan, kain na sila. Baba, what are you doing? Kasi siya yung nagpe-prepare sa table. Maraming ganap sa table. Okay, ayan. Naglalagay siya ng placemat.
Huh?
Thank you, Holly.
Like one?
Si Sak nag-ask pang more baked beans. Hindi pa nakakain si Daddy.
5 times?
Si Kuya okay na siya kasi hindi siya Indian
ba?
rice. Kung rice yan, sabihin niya more. Si Sak, oh. Oh, si Sak eh. How about you, Baba? Is it good, Baba? You like it?
How about this? That's enough so I can finish my baking so I can have more.
Ah, you can have more. Okay. Kanina pa ako tapos mag-edit and hindi pa rin ako nagugas kasi nanonood kami ng game nila, Kuya.
Should have won last week.
Nanalo sila. Nanalo yung... Congrats!
Yeah, don't flip bonus.
What? I thought you're... What team are you?
Bonus.
Bombers daw siya, oh. What are you doing in the bathroom? How many points? 48-63. And yung Collingwood is past team. Yung ano, yung kalaban is ano, yung
Just say what.
team ni Dad.
Game over.
Last week talo sila by 1 point. Ngayon, ano, medyo marami kasi 48 tapos 63 yung Essendon.
We're playing tomorrow.
So maghuhugas na ako. Ay, maghugas din ako ng mukha. Tingnan mo, oily na ng mukha ko.
What did you want?
Baba, what are you been doing there? Come here.
Wait, who won?
Come here.
Wait.
Stop playing water, Baba. You're wet now.
Sydney tomorrow.
And magtutupi pa pala
This
ako.
look good after he put lotion on.
Happy? Lotion where?
And
Oh
my
yeah,
baby's
it's alright. Nag-lotion si Sak. Let me see
And
Sak. Come
this,
here.
Dad,
Dry ang skin ni
Dad,
Sak.
this what Dad.
What?
Dad put, cause Dad put the plug in, he turned the water on,
What
so I
lotion
did,
did you put?
Dad, you want?
The baby one?
and the orange
There's
one.
no movie
The
time.
orange one?
Yeah.
They've turned it off.
Ang bango mo, Sak.
Why?
Siya na talagang nag-lotion. What did you do to your hair?
It's always on.
Kanina pa ito nang ligo. Ngayon, ba't ngayon hanggang ngayon basa pa rin yan? What did you do to your hair?
Dad,
Can you get the brush?
Ang bango! What did you put?
Your head looks
Han, smell his hair, Han.
He's brushing down.
Smell his hair.
What did you do, Jack? Come here, please.
Smell, hindi siya amoy
Wow,
shampoo.
what'd you put on there,
What
bro?
did you put?
Start. What do you say?
What did you put on there?
What did you put?
smell mine.
Huh? What did you put? What?
Soy.
No, it's not so. May nilagay sila na hindi ko alam. Anong nilagay nyo? Ha? Itong dalawa, tandem to sa kaguluan sa mga kaanuhan ka.
Dad, look.
Alam mo yung ka... Tawag mo, hindi ko na masabi
Mom.
yung word. Sino nag-send?
What is that for?
Who send that to you? Dan. Direct siya ni Dan. Magulo na. Magtupi nga kayo ng mga damit. Ay, nakita yung mga frames?
Dad put the plug.
Pinapataob nila yung mga
Jack,
frames
did you put up
kasi
so high the
pa
wall?
naglalaro sila ng footy.
Don't.
What's that? Walahan? Careful! Magulo na sila.
You bought.
Why do you keep falling on the ground, Zachary?
I want butt crack.
Zach, be careful, ha? Holly! Can you call Holly to stop playing in the water? Ala, be careful. Nagte-textan sila ni Dan.
These are new socks.
Na maghugas pa ako. Ang dami ko pang gagawin.
Oh, here.
Hi, wait. Maghugas ako. No. Magtutupi, maghuhugas, kakain pa ako. Mamaya na lang, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, hintayin niya ako kasi nag-skincare lang ako. Eh, nagpaalam siya kung raw siya ng apple. So, hinugasan ko siya ng apple. And, ayan na siya, guys. Hawak niya pa rin yung apple. Pero, ayan o. Marami na rin nabawas. Baka meron kasi. Baba? Ha? Baba? Baba? Ha? Baka may apple ka pa dyan. Baba? Are you sleeping now? Oh, can I have this? Can mommy have this?
How about at the bed?
Huh?
How about at the bed?
You wanna go to the bed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
How about the boys?
How about the boys? The boys are asleep. Okay? Okay, can I have your apple? Open your mouth. Let me see.
No.
Can you open your mouth? There's no apple there. Let me see.
No.
Oh, okay. Can I have this now? Okay. Patulog na lang. Kumain pa talaga siya ng apple. Wala naman sa bibig niya. Okay, yun lang. Pinakita ko na sa iyo guys. Kasi. So, yun lang. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, good night.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I